YouTube, back with another review. I've been gone, haven't really been picking up shoes, but yeah, I might have started getting some more, doing reviews and everything. But this is a shoe that I had for a while, never did a review on it. What am I doing now? Foamposite 1 Premium, black, hyper red, dark gray, white, $235. Nike. You already know. I'll take one out. The Fighter Jet foams. Real nice shoe. Wore them like one time. Still clean. I'm not really going to do a review, just show you the shoe. You know, you got the Foamposite on the upper, carbon fiber, and the black and red. The red Nike check right there. The red line, or whatever. Little Thunderbolt right there. Penny logo right there. Got the black laces and everything. Black nubuck. Right there. Got the carbon fiber again right there in the black and red. Penny logo, another Thunderbolt. You can see that. It says danger, ejection. Another penny logo with the little dog tag. Then right here says Anthony Hardaway, #1, a date, where he was born, and Nike Foamposite Pro. I usually wear mine with the dog tag on. I just like put it under the laces, I guess. But yeah, Fighter Jet foams, real nice shoe. Oh yeah, the bottom, icy bottom, red traction, more carbon fiber, and the black penny logo. Yeah, that's it. Subscribe, rate, and comment.